I show you how to install Canon LBP2900 or LBP2900B printer in Linux Mint or any Linux version. This installation only 64-bit supported. I show you how to install without any error. This installation no need internet connection. I show you wireless network is not connected, no any internet connected on this system. Download this file, link in the description. You can simply download this file and right click, extract here, double click this folder and I turn on printer. First you connect the printer on PC and turn on the printer. I just turn on my printer. And next is click the install.sh file, double click and run in terminal and enter your password. This process 5 to 10 minutes and you have to the turn on the printer and automatically suppose add this printer. So first delete the printer. You can see printed added LBP2900. Doesn't matter LBP2900 or 2900B. B means black. Okay, now I show you. Click the menu, type printers, and you can see the printer. Now right click the printer, set as default. OK. Again right click, properties. I show you the test print. Print test page. Now this is the test page. You can see. Again turn the page. This icon is copy this file and paste in a desktop. This is the printer status. Open the printer status and you can see ready to print. Suppose I remove the paper in printer and I print some word. This file print and print. There is no paper in printer and you can see the message out of paper, and you can see the red light is blinking on printer. So I again insert the paper, press the button, and you can see printing is interrupted. So you can resume this job. So press here, and cancel the job, press here. So I resume the job and now print again. And you can see so not required the continuously open this printer status app, just any error, so no print. So click the printer status and you can see what happened. So after installing this software and you can any error, so click the menu and type SYN pack manager, enter password and connect the net. And find the broken package and select the package and edit and fix broken package. Thank you for watching. I hope this video help for us.